Hello student, today we are start our next topic, envelope number 2. Draw the rectangle of 30 into 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter we have to divide in 6, 10 and 6. 30 centimeter we have to divide in 8, 14 and 8. Now take the center of 10 means 5. Take the center of the 14 means 7. Dot here, make the marking here, center point and join the line, this one, and draw this 6 one straight line, this one slipping line, middle one you can get your rectangle shape, that is you have to draw the dotted line, remaining this one corner you have to draw the shading line, this shaded line we have to cut and this dotted line we have to fold. Here is the material of making envelope: card paper, scale, pencil, eraser, sharpener, scissor and glue. So let's start. First diagram. Now we need the rectangle shape of 22 into 30 centimeter, 22 by 30. So mark now 30 centimeter. (22 centimeter). Here we completed the rectangle 30 by 22 as shown in diagram. Now we have to divide 30 centimeter in 8, 14 and 8 as shown in diagram. Okay. So we'll mark here. We will mark here 8 centimeter. See here I mark here 8 centimeter. This corner 8 centimeter. Remaining portion should come 14. Same on opposite side. 8 centimeter. From this corner also we will mark 8 centimeter and middle portion will come 40. Now join this dots. Now we will divide 22 centimeter in a 6, 10 and 6. So let's mark here now 6 centimeter. From this corner also 6 centimeter. Opposite side also same 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Middle will 10 centimeter. Now match this. So our line should not go cross. So we will mark here also 6 centimeter. Now join the dots. Now we will do this one is the 10 centimeter, we will mark half of that. So half of the 10, 5. We will mark here 5. Opposite side also 5. Here is the 14 centimeter, half of 14, 7. Mark here 7, opposite side also 7. Now match these dots, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7 and 7. It's a rhombus shape. Now you can see the middle rectangle. There we have to do the dotted line. Dotted line we are using for what? Folding. So here we have to do folds of this. Now we will do the shading line in this corner. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Shading line for we are using cutting. Now here we completed our shading part. Now this shading part, after completing we have to cut this. We have completed our shading part. Now we will start to cut. While cutting, take precaution. This envelope we are using for giving gift in marriage or in birthday party. We are keeping money inside and giving. First of all, in our last video we make envelope, but that when envelope is for office purpose, informal. Here you can use any printed paper also or any color paper also. If you see in a market, they are sticking 1 rupee coin also on that. So if you want, you can stick 1 rupee coin also on that. Because when we are giving someone gift, we are keeping 51, 101, like this way, 501, like this amount we keep in the present pocket and we give. So they are sticking 1 rupee on card. So if you want, you can stick. First we cut the rectangle. Now we will cut the shading part. Here we completed our cutting. Now we will fold. Now with the help of the scissor only you have to do folding. With the help of the scale. Press it well. See here, we completed our envelope. Now we have to stick how? See here, this side will should open here. Just take a single dot of the glue. Stick this side. Again single dot of the glue and stick here. You can now decorate the border or stick here 1 rupee coin, put money inside and give the gift. Yes, here it is the final look of envelope.